with its urban appearance that blends Puma's dedication to comfort and functionality with A$AP Rocky's inventive design philosophy, this sneaker stands out. Its distinctive lacing system, which guarantees a snug fit while adding a distinctive flair, is one of the Mostro Gabbia Light's most striking features. Bold embellishments and patterns draw attention to the shoe's streamlined form, making it a flexible piece that flows well from a laid-back day out to an evening event. The shoe is made of high-quality fabrics and synthetic elements that give it resilience without sacrificing weight, making it lightweight enough to wear all day. The end product of the partnership is a sneaker that is a tribute to high-performance sporting technology and a fashion statement. Strategic contouring in the outsole improves grip and agility, which fits in nicely with A$AP Rocky's fans' active lifestyle. Release date is on May 30, 2025 for $250 US.